reached around 2:15, and that glass house on the top is where we stayed. So this is the homestay. It was really pretty. The view was majestic. I mean, just look at it. The balcony was huge and it was just really magical. We were sitting here and playing and just having fun. So the house, like kind of house, starts from here. This is the entrance and this is how it looks. This is the fireplace, but we didn't need fire. It wasn't that cold. And here is the seating area with a huge television. That's the kitchen, the stairs, and a huge window. So here, right here, is the common bathroom. It was pretty good. This is the first bedroom. The view from this bedroom is breathtaking. It had two huge windows each, by the bedside, and this one is the huge one. It had a very pretty view, as you can see, and it was just good. The sunset was really pretty from here. And yeah, that's the room with a bed, one cupboard, one chair, and a table. That's it. So now for the next bedroom. It's just right next to the previous one. It also has two large windows, one bed. It has a joint bathroom, this one. And yeah, it's pretty much the same. So this is the joint bathroom that was provided. It was really pretty. I mean, I don't usually call bathrooms pretty, but this one was really pretty. And then we go out of this room, we come back to the living room, and this is the huge window. Like, the whole house has huge windows everywhere, and this is a huge window again, right, behind the sofa, and one right here. So basically the living room is all windows, just one wall that's with the staircase. This is the kitchen, and we weren't really provided with food, so we had to buy the groceries and make it ourselves, which was not that convenient, but it's okay. Now going up the stairs, here comes the second floor. Its views make it worth staying. Look at the view. It's a glass house, and there's no bed or chairs or anything here, but they did provide us with mattresses. So if you want to sleep here, you can put the mattresses and make it look really pretty. It has golden lights and it's just very aesthetic at night, and the views are amazing. It has windows on the three sides, like it's giving us 180-degree view, and then it comes attached to a personal balcony, just like the one downstairs, and the view is again breathtaking, as you can see. outside. So we just got home from dinner. It's currently 10:41 p.m. and now we're just gonna sit in the balcony because the weather's too good and we will probably sleep late, like really late. So it's 12:47 a.m. Doesn't really feel like 12:47 a.m. We are watching horror. We are watching horror videos.